So sneak peek at our next project. We're going to be putting French Drain Man sub basin. We got some catch basins along the side over here, and we're going to put an open French drain around the whole pool perimeter. We have copper lining, copper mesh. We have copper sulfate because there's a lot of trees and a lot of shrubbery over here. And there, when we dug through here, the old French drain, it was knocked out by just a bunch of roots. You can see the old French drain right there, socked pipe. So we got a cap on it, ready to go.